Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new chapter from the economics, chapter number 2, that is sectors of Indian economy. Before that already we have completed chapter number 1, development, and one chapter in geography and one chapter in civics. So today we are going to start this chapter number 2 from the economics, sectors of Indian economy. In this we are going to understand so many different things, and this chapter we are dividing into two parts. So today we will half part we are going to understand it, and later on the second half part will be in the next week. Okay, so today we are going to cover it only half part of the chapter, and in the half part whatever the related questions are there, you have to complete it in your homework. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, sectors of the Indian economy. What are the sectors? See, sectors होते क्या हैं? Basically the sectors are the different groups of the people, those who are engaged in some kind of different activities. Here you can see in this picture, one is postman, another one is brickmaker, then the next one is coolie, then some are the agriculture persons, some are the shopkeepers. In this some different kind of activities they are involved. So basically these activities are called group of the people, and these groups are known as sectors. Okay, so here we'll take these sectors are divided into three parts. The first part is primary sector. First is what? Primary sector. Here you can see this is primary sector. Okay, what is primary sector? Primary sector is a sector which is producing the goods, or which is producing the raw material for the secondary sector. Okay, the basically these sectors are divided into three parts: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Primary sector is a sector in which all the raw materials and agriculture and related products are produced in that. So this particular sector is also known as agriculture sector. Okay, and the second sector is known as secondary sectors. Basically the secondary sector is what? The secondary sector is a sector in which the raw material of the agriculture sector is converting into finished goods, or manufactured, is known as secondary sector. Acha, just listen. The first sector is agriculture sector, is also divided into different parts like genetic and extraction. Extraction means the minerals which are extract from the earth. Okay, and genetic industries also come in the first primary sector only. Genetic is like poultry farm, fishing, all these activities also come under the primary sectors only. So whatever the raw material is collected in primary sector is ultimately going to the secondary sector, and secondary sector is going to convert it into finished goods. Finished goods are those the ultimate product, the last product which you are going to consume, जिसको हम लोग use करने वाले हैं. Okay, that is known as secondary sector. Okay, and the last one is your tertiary sector. What is tertiary sector? Here tertiary sector is a sector in which all the activities of primary and secondary sectors are performed. Suppose from the primary sector the raw material is transported and provided to the secondary sector, and once the secondary sector is manufactured, all the goods, these goods is distributed in the people with the help of tertiary sector. So tertiary sector includes so many things like banking, communication, transportation, warehousing, communication. All these things are included in the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector, which is providing services to the final consumer. Okay, so basically primary sector is the agriculture sector, secondary sector is a manufacturing sector or industrial sector, and the third one, tertiary sector, is known as service sector. Okay, these three activities are performed in that. So this is all about the sectors, and the next thing we will talk in the next video.